Are you looking to potentially refinance your home, but you really don't know where to start? What if there were certain things you could be doing right now before you apply to refinance in order to ensure you get the best advice and the best deal on your new mortgage? In this video today, what I'm going to do is show you exactly what you can do to ensure you have the smoothest refinance process possible. Check it out. I thought it'd be a great opportunity to really talk about preparation, getting ready, and optimizing your personal situation to get the best deal and the best outcome.
Well, then let's start with this. Why? Why is it important for people to do some prep work before they go and refinance?
So when a lot of homeowners go to refinance, they think to themselves, well, okay, I've got good credit, I've got good income, like I'm good to go with everything. And it's not always clean cut. Sometimes there is work to be done that can take time. If you are someone that's got lower credit or challenges with your credit, it's not going to be fixed overnight. You're going to need that game plan and that time to get it in play. It might make sense to pay down some debt or pay off some debt to get qualified for a better deal on the refinance. And income preparation, like we'll be discussing with self-employed especially, getting your ducks in a row with the documents that are going to be needed for your income. And if you are especially self-employed or on commission or irregular income, there's going to be a little more legwork that you're going to want to do to get prepared to refinance. It's just going to make it smoother, less of a hassle, more stress-free, and it's going to get you a better deal, get better terms on your loan. So even if you think you're in a great spot, what can we do to get you into that next tier financially?
What are the top areas that people should focus on when they're prepping, to do this refinance?
Yeah, so some top tips for refinancing. I think getting your credit in tip-top shape, it's always a motive, whether you're buying or refinancing. The thing that a lot of people don't realize that are going to get a new mortgage is that even a few points can matter. And I'll tell you an example is I had a client that came to me. They had a 641 credit score. It's definitely towards the lower end, but we had their loan approved and good to go with that. Well, they had some other issues that caused the loan process to drag out a bit, some personal issues. But long story short, we had to repull their credit about a week or two before closing. Their credit dropped from 641 to 638. Just a couple points, right? But that small drop put them to that lower threshold. It brought them down to below 640. So there is a line in the sand with mortgage programs and pricing. The lines are like 580 to 600, 600 to 620, 620 to 640, etc. And then when you hit around 720, 740, that range, like anything above that is just gravy.
What is the max? Is it 810, 820?
850 actually.
Oh, 850.
Yeah. So, but once you get into that mid to high 700s, like you're good at that point. But if you're someone who's in that low to mid 600s, even high 600s, a couple points on your credit could save you thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars over the life of your loan, because it may kick you from one pricing bucket to another pricing bucket, or it may take you from getting an FHA loan to being able to get a conventional loan, which we'll talk a little more about.
Yeah, what if somebody already has good credit and equity? Do they still need to prepare?
They do. I think income preparations are really important, especially for the self-employed. So, taxes, your income taxes, and where we're at with that over the last year or two. What did you actually file with your income taxes? Specifically, your net profit is what lenders are looking at, with a couple add backs, but mainly your net profit. And as you know, a lot of self-employed people, they use the opportunity to write off every and anything they can, not really thinking about the repercussion when it comes to getting a mortgage or financing. Also, bank statements. Nowadays, lenders are looking at a couple months of bank statements for self-employed people to make sure that their income from their business hasn't been as impacted from COVID. That wasn't something that was happening as much before COVID. And then a year-to-date profit and loss for self-employed people. Some self-employed don't have this stuff put together. If they're lucky, they have an accountant or tax advisor that can help with this. But if not, it may take a couple weeks to get some of these items put together, pull records, that part, or that sort of thing. And for the most part, no-doc refinances or stated income, which was very popular, a decade or two ago, those really are non-existent today. And if they're out there, they have very high interest rates. So if you're looking for the best deal, you're going to want to stay away from the no-doc or the stated income type of loans, because like I said, those were super popular with self-employed back in the last refinance and real estate boom that occurred in the early 2000s. I hope now you're seeing that there are things that can be done. There is preparation preparation that you can be doing to make sure that your refinance process goes well, goes smooth, and you get that best deal that you're looking for on your new mortgage. If you found value in today's lesson, please go ahead and share this with other people. Comment on the video. Tell us what you enjoyed about it and what value that you're getting here. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We're putting out more content like this all the time. You can click the subscribe button. Also hit the bell so you get notified on all of our future content. And if I can be of assistance to you or anyone that you know, you can reach out to me for a consultation. My direct line is 860-413-3938, and you can reach me by both call or text. Hope that helps. We'll talk to you soon, and take care.